Hi guys. Welcome to Creative Mind YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create realistic reflection and shadow in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. First of all, select the object. Transform it by pressing Ctrl+T. Now right-click on it and select Flip Vertical. Now move it down. Now again right-click on it and select Warp. Now mask the layer with holding Alt. Now select Brush tool and make sure foreground color is white. Now make a new layer. Select Brush tool and select black color. And here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.